1, 2, 3. C.
C is for the candy
Around the Christmas tree.
H is for the happiness of the family. R is for the rain dancing by the window pane. I is for the icing on the cake as sweet as sugar cane. S is for
The stockings on the chimney wall.
T is for the toys when they get it a toy. S O with the toe, everyone is kissed. A is for the angel who blew up the Christmas tree. S is for Santa, everything is spent. Be good to everything on the Christmas alphabet.
O, dali. Sigaw ka, Marimar.
Marimar!
Dali, ikaw ka doon.
Marimar! Marimar!
Mari.
Ako.
Dali, ikaw kanta, Pepe. Marimar.
Marimar!
Itak-tak mo. Itak-itak. Itak-tak. Ayaw, alam niya yun?
Oo.
Mo! Walang mo. Ayun mo. Ayun ang mo.
Pepe yung sigaw, itak-tak mo. Kesa.
Itak-tak mo. Dali.
Itak-tak mo.
Sing.
Itak-tak mo. Itak-tak mo sa iyo.
Ayun, ang dami mo. Ito na yun. Thank you.
Oink yun eh. Pig yun eh.
Pig. Pig. Pig.
Ang dami. O dali, kayong dalawa dito. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.